Construction. Construction is a beautiful art. We do villas, bungalows construction, and palace construction, star hotels, luxury houses construction all over India. It looks like a king's palace, like that of houses we do the construction. Extraordinary, very beautiful elevation, architect works, and elegant look will create with our team. We are India's #1 construction service providers. Our phone number 9246372692. As per our land, we give you the drawings, designings, and models. You can choose, you can start the work. Within 1 year, you can get this type of houses construction. Our villas, hotels, restaurant, banquet halls, lawn areas, anything. Whatever you want, luxury, you can give the construction with the new concepts and excellent valuation works. Our phone number 9246372692. Extraordinary villas, resorts, hotels, banquet halls, houses construction, our specialty with a good architect works.